Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to make passive income with your cryptocurrency. I already made a video by using another method, which is staking your crypto. You can check that on the previous video, but on this here I am going to show you another method, which is lending your crypto. Okay, so to do so, here is a platform same as Binance. You can buy and sell, and the same as any other exchange out there for crypto, but it has this feature which is lending your crypto. Okay, so if you don't have an account, you'll find the link in the description, of course, and create your account and get to here, finance, and go to crypto lending. As you can see here is the cryptocurrencies that are in here. So some of you will be asking why I should be doing this if there is staking. So yeah, there is staking, but sometimes the crypto that you have or you want to keep holding, it doesn't have a way to stake it or something like that, or the staking rewards are super low. So you get to this here is way better sometimes on staking, because as you can see here, if you can check, and this depends on each cryptocurrency here. Okay, there isn't that much. I think there is a lot of cryptos in here, but it's not all cryptos out there. Okay, so for example, you can check each one here and see their rating, their annual rate, and the annual rate, and this is the daily interest rate. Okay, so if you add up all this interest rate for a yearly interest, it will be this one. Okay, so if you choose the annual rate, you'll be getting this daily rate. And if we checked BTC, for example, you'll see that the rates are super low, and here as well, and you can check as much as you want, and it depends again each crypto and the demand on it. As you can see here is Ethereum and here is BTC. There isn't that much demand on people borrowing this crypto, but if you can check this stable coin here, which is USDT, you can see that it gets decreases, which means that people are borrowing. In this case here, people are lending here or lessening their crypto. That's why it's getting higher to 85, but as you can see now it's getting lower again. So people are borrowing and others are lending in here. Okay, the annual rate changes and depending on the market. Okay, if there is, the market is doing good, the crypto market is doing good, the rates are super high, the market is doing good, people want to borrow money to get into some crypto or to invest in some crypto, and they get that return, and when they get that money back, they give it to you with the interest rate. Okay, so the rates are higher when is the market doing great. Okay, now let's get to how to lend your crypto. So choose the crypto that you want. In this case, I'm going to just show you here using USDT because there is a lot of demand in here and the rates are super high. Let's do 1,000 USDT. If you have any crypto or USDT in this case, you can just choose here the amount that you want from the asset that you have. Let's say 50% or 100% on your account, of course. Okay, and here we get the terms. You choose the term or the period that you want to lend your crypto, so 7 days, 14 days, or 28 days. Okay, so you need to choose either 7 days or 14 days because to keep on updating the rates. Okay, so let's say that you've done this one here, you might need a lot of time to wait until it gets back or that person gives back your money, so you can change the interest rate, because who knows, you might lend your money like with this price here, the interest rate, then 7 days pass by and the rates are way higher and you're missing on the rates. Okay, choose 7 days or 14 days, and here is the daily interest rate. You can choose this one. So what you need to do is choose a reasonable rate. Okay, because if you put in a rate that is this here, it's hard that people will borrow here, leaving these other ones here with lower rates. Okay, the same as buying and selling on the market. Okay, people are putting calls with lower, and people that are buying will buy the lower prices, of course. So you need to put in a reasonable rate in here, which is, let's do this one here, and this is how much you will be getting for lending you 1,000 USDT. You'll be getting $8 in the end of the term of 7 days. Okay, so this here might seem it's not that much, but if you keep doing it, and it's just free money and passive income that you'll be getting, and you can't find this interest rate anywhere else to using or staking the USDT. Okay, so and it changes here. If we do 14 days, you can see it's $16 or 16 USDT. In this case here, you're using USDT, you will not be afraid of the price getting lower or higher because it's a stable coin. Okay, so this is it here. And if you want to put it on automation, you don't want to always keep doing this, just put here or check auto lend and put in the USDT that you want to lend and the terms that you want. You can uncheck this and leave it just these two, and the daily rates. Okay, one thing that I should tell you here and to keep in mind again is always, even though you're putting it on auto lend and it's doing that automatically, you always need to check to see the rates. Okay, so let's say that you've put in on auto lend and relisted again, so you need to check. Sometimes you might be putting this daily rate, and after a week the rates are super down, and it wouldn't be this price here or the rate here. It will be like 0.2 per example. So this would be the current daily rate, so people would be borrowing on this rate here, meanwhile you're having your rate as this one, and it keeps getting here, and the person that's borrowing money wouldn't get into here, and your money will just stay here, and people will not borrow it, and which means you're not earning any passive income on it. So which means, yeah, you need to always check and see if the rates are the same as you put in here, and if it changes or something, you can always change it and put in a new rate that is working at that moment. Okay, so this is it. It's super easy, a great way to earn passive income on your crypto, holding the crypto. Let's say that you have any other crypto, you can just get into here and exchange it or convert your crypto into USDT and keep it on your account here, and get into here and lend it, and this is it. You'll be earning passive income. So this is the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.